These inflatable planets are both durable and commercial grade, but can you guess which one runs continuously? In this video, we're going to be focusing on airtight inflatables and how they compare to their cold air counterparts. Let's jump right in. Just by looking at these, you wouldn't really know the difference between cold air, which is continuous, or airtight. So what's the difference between the two styles? A continuous blower type of inflatable is sewn, and air can escape through the seams, which is why it needs constant inflation so that it doesn't deflate. An airtight inflatable has an internal bladder that prevents air from escaping. Only needs to be inflated once, and then it's sealed off. So which one of these is airtight and which is continuous? This is continuous, and this is the airtight one. Would you have really known the difference? Probably not. They look identical. So which one should you get? Let's take a look at the differences between these two inflatables. To sum it up, we can make inflatables in both versions, cold air or airtight. It really just depends on your application or preference. Either way, you're going to be getting something great that's going to last a long time. Thank you for watching.